Hey, Dana with Breslow Outdoors. Check this out. What a project. We've got our motorized pergola in a way that made it classic in design. So we put these pergola purlins on here. We've got recessed lights, infratech heaters, fans. These louvers open and close. That's right. When it rains, they'll detect rain, they'll close automatically. You'll notice this striping effect. I love that. You get that cool shadow line, whatever degree of sun you want. It just adds a real element of texture to a space. I want to relax, but I don't want the sun in my eyes. So I just sit here, I close those louvers, and I've got full shade. Worked in collaboration with a company called Edgewater Development out of Greenwich, Connecticut. They're amazing. They did this entire patio. They did this outdoor kitchen, this fireplace TV room, this island. That entire patio is the pool area. We worked in collaboration with them. Every week we would talk about things and make sure that the wires are run properly. And then we come in and we put this beautiful, maintenance-free aluminum motorized pergola. Check this out. Look at this. When I was here about a year ago, this was just all dirt. Edgewater Development came in, leveled it all out, put in all this usable space so that their family can have the most incredible time.